Hey guys, welcome back to This Week in AI, where we discuss some major AI updates that happened last week in the AI's world. And this video will be divided into three parts: small updates, then we will move to the mid-level update that also has some impact in the AI's world, and finally, major AI update that directly affect the regular AI users. So without wasting any time, let's just start with the video. First is OpenAI released its October 2025 transparency report. It focuses on how the company is detecting and disrupting malicious use of AI, thinking phishing, deepfake, and other form of abuse. They detail several takedowns and new system built to support coordinate misuse. Basically, OpenAI is saying we are not just building powerful models, we are making sure they don't fall into wrong hands. Next, a major diplomatic movement in AI. India's Prime Minister met the Anthropic CEO Dario Amodia this week. The two discussed responsible AI development and Anthropic plan to expand in India. This comes as India's position itself as a key global AI hub, balancing innovation with regulations. And speaking of India, Microsoft unveiled what is calling its AI-first vision for the country. The plan focuses on digital trust, AI scaling, and applying AI across critical sectors like agriculture, education, and public services. Basically, it's a part of broader move by Microsoft to deepen its presence in the emerging markets where AI adoption is skyrocketing. Meanwhile, Elon Musk XAI continue to grow quickly. Report says that the company has hired two top NVIDIA researchers, both expert in AI stimulation and robotics. Their focus building advanced world models, essentially in AI system that can understand and stimulate real-world environment that could play a big role in the autonomous robotics. Now let's move to the mid-level update, the one that didn't dominate the headline but still mattered a lot. Anthropic is officially expanding into India. Big news, they are opening their first India office in Bengaluru in early 2026. This is officially Anthropic's second office in the Asia-Pacific region after Tokyo. And it's all to meet the growing demand for Claude, their conversational AI assistant. With India's booming tech sector and massive enterprise market, this move just makes sense. On that note, Deloitte is taking Anthropic model to the globe. The consulting giant is rolling out Claude access to the 470,000 employees worldwide. That's a massive enterprise deployment, one of the largest we have ever seen so far, signaling that's a big corporate are betting heavily on the AI copilot and assistant to boost productivity. Meanwhile, in China, some interesting policy movement. Authorities have reportedly tightened custom check on NVIDIA AI chips at major ports. This is being interpreted as a part of border enforcement of technology control measures, and it could impact the flow of high-end GPUs into China. With the US still limiting advanced chip export, this is step signal that Beijing becoming more vigilant about inbound AI hardware too. Alright, now let's get to the big updates. First is Google's Gemini Enterprise. This is Google's brand new AI platform for businesses, officially launched this week. It lets companies build, deploy, and customize AI agents that can handle workplace tasks, from summarizing email to automating internal workflows. Early customers are already using it, and it's clearly designed to compete directly with OpenAI Enterprise offering and Microsoft Copilot. In short, Google stepping into AI productivity race in a big way. Next is OpenAI Dev Day made waves again. The event showcased new developer-focused capabilities, including better APIs, new model customization tools, and improved ways to build AI apps and agents. The big message: OpenAI want to become the platform where developers build on top, not just use the ChatGPT, but actually create the full product and experience powered by it. It's a shift from AI as a tool to AI as an ecosystem. And finally, the biggest story of the week. OpenAI and AMD announced a major strategic partnership. The plan is to deploy 6 GW of AMD GPUs to scale AI infrastructure globally. That's an enormous amount of computer power, equivalent to some of the largest data center expansions ever undertake. For OpenAI, this partnership means less dependency on NVIDIA and more flexibility in scaling of future models. For AMD, it's a massive validation that they are ready to compete seriously in the high-end AI GPU market. This deal could reshape the AI hardware landscape and potentially lower cost for training and deploying larger model down the road. So yeah, that's all for This Week in AI World, and if you find this series helpful, do consider to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.